I'm going to show you how to do this new trend of an onion boil in your air fryer. Dead quick, dead simple. Let's get straight into it. Welcome back to the channel everybody, one air fryer too many, and thanks for joining me. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe notifications so you don't miss another video. Right, you may have seen on TikTok all of the craze of an onion boil over the past few weeks. I thought, you know what is it? I'm going to give it a go. So today I'm using the tiny Kasori air fryer. You can use whatever air fryer you have got. Make sure you check out my video where I compare over 15 air fryers and I come out with which one I think is the best currently on the market. Go and check that out. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to prepare the onions, we're going to get them in the air fryer, and ultimately we're going to taste it at the end and see, is it worth actually doing? Because I've not done this. You are coming with me on this onion boil journey. Right, I'm going to move in a bit closer. I'm going to show you what I'm doing, nice and close, and then we're going to get them cooking. Right, so what we're going to do, open the onions up. I've got 3 onions from Aldi, £1.50 for 3. Okay, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to top and tail them. That's my little diesel heater just switching off. So top and tail them, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave them whole and we're going to peel them. So I'm going to get all 3 of these done now. Right, so that is all 3 onions done. I'm now going to take a smaller knife, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut out a little bit of the centre of the onion. Right, so as you can see, I've hollowed out the onions, not quite all the way through. This one I started and then I thought, no, I'm going to keep the bases in. And the reason for that is now we're going to do the unhealthy bit. I've got a packet of Tesco butter. It is salted, and basically what I'm going to do is we're going to stuff the middle of this now with butter. And you want to fill it as much as you can. Like that. Because what this is going to do, this is going to melt inside as it's cooking, and it's going to help to cook the onion from the inside, but also the butter is going to help caramelise and soften the onion as well. Right, next we're going to mix up this spicy oil. Right, so we are going to go in with some olive oil. You can use veg oil if you want, totally up to you. So I'm going to go in with some black pepper, some pink sea salt, and what you go in with is totally up to you, by the way. I'm going to go in with some ground coriander, some paprika. I'm just going in with even quantities of most of this. Some garlic granules, some ground cumin, I'm going to go in with some turmeric. The jury's out on whether you need to put this in, but I like turmeric, so it's going in. And then I've got some crushed chili seeds. I'm going to go in with a few of these just for a little dabble of heat. I'm just going to mix all of them on. so they all make friends. Like that. Right, then we need some tin foil. Three bits of tin foil for 3 onions. Put in the comment below, which way do you have your tin foil? The matte side facing the food or the shiny side facing the food? Now, I've always been in the camp of shiny side facing the food because that's what reflects the heat in, and that's what I've always done. Let me know. Right, so I'm just going to make this into like a little bowl for each of the onions, like that, and then I'm just going to go in with this mixture over the onion. And you want it to just roll down the onion and hopefully coat it all. Then we're going to bring this up, and you want to really kind of scrunch that up, because we want all the juice to stay inside the onion, or inside the tin foil even. Right. Like that. Right, let's get them in the air fryer. Right, let's open it up. I'm going to leave the tray in, I think. I'm just going to place the onions on top, just pushing the little points down just so it goes in, and we're going to go into the air fryer. I'm going to switch it on. I'm going to leave it on air fry, and I'm going to drop it down to 180, and I'm going to put the time up. I'm going to put the time up to 35 minutes. We may put it on for an extra 5 after, but I'm going to put it on for 35 minutes and see where we're at. And we're going to press play. So join me in 35 minutes. Alright, there we go. The 35 minutes is over, and the smell in here is absolutely fantastic. Right, let's carefully open one up, shall we? Ooh. Looking good. Right. Just going to use a probe just to see how soft the onion is. That's not looking too bad. I think, though, I am going to go with the remaining 5 minutes on this, just to really soften them up. Okay, so drop it down to 180. 5 minutes. Off we go. Right, let's check these out after the full 40 minutes. Right, there we have it. And this again. Honestly, the smell of this is incredible. Oh yeah, there we go. Much softer. Right, let's get these out and get them on a plate. Right, okay, so let's have a look. Oh, look at that. There's one. That's two. Is three. Oh, nearly. And then the idea is this liquid that's left, you pour it over like that. And that is it. One onion boil, like on TikTok, done. Now I need to see how these actually peel and how they actually taste. Right, so let's see what it's like. It's on TikTok and stuff. They get it and they just peel the layers off. Oh yeah, it's working. Yeah, the layers are coming off. And then you're meant to dip all this in this juice that's come off and then eat it. So let's have a little taste. Not bad at all that. I tell you what, it is hot. Right guys, so there we have it. You've just seen me peeling some layers off. What do you reckon? I reckon if you did these, I definitely think more butter over the top when I'm cooking it, and probably more spices because I like a bit of a punch. But I reckon if you did these, I think for possibly up to an hour, then made a curry from these onions, you're going to end up with an absolutely banging curry. That's what I think you should do with these. Let me know in the comments, have you tried an onion boil yet? What do you think of it? Is it any good? Do you think it's just a fad? Let me know in the comments. If you do try it, make sure you stick me a picture over on our group, One Air Fry Too Many on Facebook. Go and find it and come and join us. And obviously make sure that you're subscribing so you don't miss next week's video. We've got a little unboxing for you next week. So yeah, join us then. Hit me up in the comments if you've got any questions, any tips of your own that you can add to this, let me know. And until next time, thanks for watching everybody. I'll see you next week.